The Lok Sabha has taken up the motion of thanks on President's address to the joint houses of Parliament. Opposition today staged a walkout from both houses of Parliament demanding discussion on the Mahakumbh stampede incident. ISRO's attempt to place the NVS-02 satellite in the desired orbit suffered a setback after the thrusters on board the spacecraft failed to fire. The 67th Annual Grammy Awards kicked off at the Crypto.com Arena in Los Angeles, celebrating the music and resilience. In the 38th National Games, 15-year-old Jonathan Gavin Anthony from Karnataka clinched the gold medal in the men's 10-meter air pistol event, edging out senior national players.